Have you ever whispered to yourself, "Why me, God? Why this pain? Why does life feel so unfair?" Broken relationships, lost jobs, loneliness, failure. You're fighting silent battles no one else sees. And deep down you wonder, will things ever get better for me? This story might be the answer, till the end. There was once a sick little sparrow living all alone in the middle of a dry, empty desert. She was weak. Her feathers had fallen out. She couldn't fly. She had no home, no food, no water, only endless suffering. Every night, she would lie on the burning sand, staring up at the dark sky and whisper, "God, why are you keeping me alive?" One morning, as she struggled to move beneath the scorching sun, a beautiful white dove flew overhead. With the last bit of strength she had, she called out, "Brother, please, stop." The dove gently landed beside her and asked, "Sister, why are you so sad?" The sparrow looked up, barely able to speak. Where are you going?" "To heaven," the dove replied. Her tired eyes lit up for the first time in years. She slowly folded her wings and whispered, "Please, when you reach heaven, ask God about me. Ask him, when will this pain end? When will my life change?" The dove nodded, "I promise." Then he spread his wings and soared into the sky. When the dove reached heaven, he met an angel and explained the sparrow's suffering. "When will her hard life finally get better?" he asked desperately. The angel opened the book of life and said, "God has written 10 more years of pain for her." The dove's heart dropped. 10 years, she won't survive another 10 days. Isn't there anything that can help her? The angel paused, then said, "Tell her this. In every situation, good or bad, say, 'Thank you, God, for everything.' That is her real test." The dove returned and shared the message. At first, the sparrow didn't understand. Thank God for what? But she made a promise to herself. No matter what happened, she would say those words every single time. The very next day, when she collapsed from the heat, she whispered, "Thank you, God, for everything." When her throat burned with thirst, she whispered, "Thank you, God, for everything." When the nights were cold and painful, she still said it, and then something began to change. Her feathers started to grow back, stronger than before. Her pain began to fade. Clouds gathered in the sky and rain poured down. The dry, lifeless desert turned green. A small pond formed nearby. She drank, she bathed in, she smiled. She was flying again. She was living again. 10 days later, the dove returned and was stunned to see the sparrow dancing in the sky. The desert had transformed into a beautiful paradise. Shocked, he rushed back to heaven and asked the angel, "How is this possible? You said she would suffer for 10 more years." The angel smiled and said, "Yes, but gratitude changes everything." When she thanked God in the midst of her pain, she passed her test. Her 10 years of suffering were reduced to just 10 days. Most of us wait for life to get better before we feel grateful. We say, "I'll be thankful when I'm happy, when things finally go right." But that's not how it works. Gratitude isn't something you feel after the storm. It's what gives you the strength to survive the storm. The truth is, when life gets hard, we often ask, "Why me?" We complain when things don't go our way. We carry anger, stress, and sadness like a heavy weight. But what we don't realize is this: gratitude has the power to change everything. When you say, "Thank you, God, for everything," not just in the good times, but in the pain, the confusion, and the heartbreak, you shift your energy, you shift your future. Complaining makes life heavier. Gratitude makes it lighter. So, from today forward, make yourself one promise. No matter what life throws at me, I will thank God with all my heart. Because sometimes, just one small change in your mindset can transform your entire life. Share this with someone who needs hope. And if you're ready to grow, heal, and rise, subscribe for more inspiration.